Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Thermaltake LCGS View, i570-170 Gaming Desktop. The View i570-170 represents the next evolution in high-performance gaming systems, engineered for enthusiasts who demand both raw power and premium aesthetics. Part of the visually striking View series, this model features a breathtaking edge-to-edge tempered glass chassis that blends modern design with exceptional functionality. Its dual-chamber architecture ensures a clean, well-organized internal layout, providing ample room for cable management and airflow while putting its premium hardware on full display. Whether situated in a dedicated gaming room or a professional creative environment, this desktop instantly becomes a centerpiece that reflects a commitment to cutting-edge technology. At the heart of the View i570-170 lies the formidable Intel Core i9-14900KF processor. One of Intel's latest and most powerful CPU engineered for multitasking, creative workflows, and high refresh rate gaming, this processor delivers top-tier performance across demanding applications. It is paired with the mighty NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card, designed to handle today's most graphically intense AAA titles, advanced ray-traced lighting effects, and robust AI-powered rendering technologies. Whether you're exploring vast open-world environments, diving into competitive esports, or editing 4K and 8K content, this GPU ensures unrivaled performance and smooth, breathtaking visuals. Supporting these elite components is 32GB of DDR5, 6000 MT/s, RGB memory, ideal for users who require sustained high-speed performance in gaming, streaming, and professional workloads. Complementing this is a massive 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, offering lightning-fast storage, near-instant load times, and seamless transitions between applications. The inclusion of Windows 11 ensures users can take advantage of the latest productivity and gaming enhancements offered by Microsoft's newest operating system. To keep performance stable and temperatures controlled, the View i570-170 integrates a 240mm closed-loop liquid cooling system. This efficient AIO solution ensures quiet operation while maintaining optimal thermal levels even during heavy processing tasks. Additional thoughtful features include multiple USB 3.0 ports, dedicated headphone and microphone jacks, built-in Wi-Fi support, and PSU power cover with filtered ventilation to maintain a dust-free environment. With both DisplayPort and HDMI connectivity on the RTX 5070, users can easily connect multiple monitors and advanced displays. The View i570-170 is not just a gaming computer, it is a premium statement of power, innovation, and style. Designed for those who refuse to compromise, it delivers exceptional performance backed by world-class engineering, ensuring an immersive and visually stunning computing experience for years to come. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.